We're talking federal criminal case with Sean Combs. We're talking federal criminal case with Diddy. So the standard is not whether the jury thinks it is more likely that Puffy did these things than not. It's a higher threshold, a higher burden of proof. The jury has to believe, and the prosecution must have proven beyond a reasonable doubt that Sean Combs is likely to have committed these offenses. A reasonable doubt, Art says, if a reasonable person is presented with these charges and this evidence, if a reasonable person is presented with these charges and this evidence, would they have a reasonable doubt as to the conviction that you have entered into? Would a reasonable person have a doubt about Sean Combs' innocence? And if a reasonable person would have a doubt about Sean Combs' innocence, you cannot convict. It is a high burden, Art. And in my opinion, I do not believe the prosecution. I do not believe that the United Snakes of America have proven beyond a reasonable doubt that Sean Combs engaged in a pattern of RICO. I don't think they proved beyond a reasonable doubt that he participated in interstate sex trafficking. And I don't think they have proven beyond a reasonable doubt that Sean Combs have engaged in interstate prostitution. I believe they relied too heavily on freak-off details, freak-off footage, and freak-off testimony. Art, he's not on trial for having freak-offs. Sean Combs was on trial and being accused of interstate trafficking of people for sex against their will, forced labor, forced sexual labor. That wasn't proven.